Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have found the perfect dress to wear on so many occasions.
Rekucci has made a dress that I can feel comfortable in, whether it's an outside occasion, if I want to dress it up with some heels, or even class it up with some tights. First of all, let me tell you how comfortable this dress is. It stretches in the arms, it stretches in the waist. The material is really lightweight and it has such a beautiful design. And my favorite part is the ruched waist. Not only is ruched in the front, but as well as in the back. Yet on the sides, it's attached. So it lovingly hides any kind of imperfections that you might have in the waist as well as in the back area. The top of the dress is a crossover style, so I chose to wear a tank top underneath it. And the sleeves are 3/4, which is perfect.
I'm 5'6" and normally wear a large, so I ordered a size 14 in this dress because I knew it would be more form-fitting. Rekucci has really outdone themselves with such a classy, elegant dress, yet at the same time, easy to take care of. I absolutely fell in love with this dress, and it's gonna be one I'm gonna wear on many occasions, and that is just my point of view.